Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn to Code with Anjali. So from today we are going to start a new session for the year 21-22 class 12 CBSE board exams. So we have a subject called computer science where we study Python and we study how we code in Python, how to connect it with SQL and how to make projects using the same. We also study few topics regarding computer networks and all. And this course is part of your CBSE curriculum in class 12. It's a proper 100-mark subject. It is optional though. So many students select it as their fifth subject, right? So if you have opted for this subject as your fifth subject, this is the right place for you. Subscribe the channel right now because I'll be taking the classes for the complete syllabus throughout the year. So I'm going to start it now. We are going to have classes every alternates, right? So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you will be getting a video uploaded for CBSE Computer Science Class 12, right? And we will be covering the complete course. We will be doing extensive practice questions. We will be doing practical. I'll do the code. I'll code in front of you. We will discuss the code over here. So everything whatever you need for the course will be provided on the channel. So do subscribe it right now and share it with all your classmates because the session has started. You might have started going to school or maybe the classes are going online, but there is the place where you actually learn coding while enjoying it. So I bet that you will never feel bored with programming in Python when you are studying with me, right? So let's see the syllabus once. So as per the CBSE, this is, as you can see, I've opened it from the CBSE site. So as you can see over here, we have the syllabus for code 083, which is computer science. This is class 11th, 2021-22. But class 11th is yet to start. We are going to start with class 12th. So obviously when you are in class 12th, the prerequisite is that you must know everything what you have done in class 11th. So whatever you have done in class 11th, you should be having a very good knowledge of that. That means you should be knowing the basics of Python very well. In case you don't know the basics of Python well, I also have a few videos on the same channel which teaches you basics of Python, so you can go through that. Otherwise, I will be revising it because our first two chapters are revision tour only. So if you have got the books, many of the schools recommend buying Sumita Arora. Few schools also say that you should buy Preeti Arora. So you can buy any of the two textbooks, or even NCERT for computer science is also available, which is absolutely free to download from the NCERT website, right? So you can download it from there. So any of the books you can follow. Along with that, the question bank book I will be publishing very soon, so you can buy that. And along with that, in the classes you will be getting a lot of questions to practice, lots and lots of questions to practice. So it will never be a problem that from where to practice, how to test your knowledge. So all that is my responsibility when you are here. Just follow what I say. If you target to score a perfect 100 in this fifth subject of yours, which is computer science, right, it is really going to boost your percentage. So you might be busy studying your other subjects, like maybe it is PCM, because mostly science students have computer science as the optional subject. Even if you have your commerce or humanities, still this makes a bigger contribution in your percentage. So never neglect it. So we are going to study from the very beginning so that by the end you are a master in this and you can't even lose half a mark anywhere, right? So now looking at this, the first thing it says is that computer science class 11th you should be knowing, right? And what your whole syllabus is divided is into three parts. One is computational thinking and programming 2, that means Python. So Python is the major part of your exam. 70 marks theory exam you're going to have. Out of that, 40 will be Python. You can very well imagine how much Python you're going to get in your exam. So 10 marks is theory based on computer networks, and we get a typical set of questions in this, so we will be doing accordingly. And 20 marks are very interesting and easy to score because it is database management. We have a language called SQL which we study in this for querying the databases. It's very interesting. It is very simple language which helps you to query the databases, and it's for 20 marks. So this is the set of three things which we are going to do throughout the course. Your course is divided into different units. Like unit 1 is computational thinking and programming. So first of all, we have to do revision of Python topics covered in class 11th, from where we will be starting from Monday. So as I told you, the class would be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That means a fresh video will be uploaded every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, right? Then we will be doing functions, which is altogether a new topic which we do in class 12 that will change the way you program in Python. Because normally when we program in Python, our focus is on the task. The task should be done. But now here we are going to divide that task into smaller parts called functions, which is called modular programming. So we are going to do that. Then we will be doing file handlings. Then file handling is of different type. We have to work on text files. We have to work on binary files. We have to work on CSV files. We will be creating our own libraries as well. This year we will be doing recursion also. Last year it was deducted as 30% reduction. But as per CBSE guidelines, till now there is no reduction told. So we are going to do it. Anyhow, it's going to come at the very later stage. So these topics we have to do for sure, even if 30% reduction still continues or not. So we will be doing this. By the time the picture would be very much clear whether recursion has to be done or not. Idea of efficiency was deducted, but we will be doing it in this session. In data structures, we will be doing the complete data structures, although last year we just did stacks. So right now we have the whole syllabus. There is no deduction. In case there will be any notification from CBSE regarding this, I will be updating you about that, right? Then comes your computer network. So we will be studying about computer networks, like what networks are, how they evolved, then what are the different medias using which you can establish a network, what are the topologies, what are the devices, everything. So that all we are going to study in this. As you can see, it's a huge syllabus, but this comes only for 10 marks. But how to do it, what to prepare, what is important, what is not, you will be getting everything on my channel, right? Then we have database management, which consists of the database management theory and the language called SQL, structured query language. For practicals, you would be having 30 marks for practical exam. You have to make one project file which you have to submit. Then you have to make a report file which contains a set of programs which you have to submit. Then there will be lab tests based on Python and SQL, and you will be having a Viva. I'll make you practice everything out here. We will be doing all these programs which are listed by CBSE. So we will be doing all that, how to make the project, how to make the project file, everything you're going to get on this channel. So from zero to the expert level, everything you will be getting here. So once you have seen this video, you are very much clear that how you're going to do your computer science subject. So you don't have to look anywhere else after reaching here. So subscribe the channel right now. Monday onwards you will be getting video every day. So by Monday afternoon, like by this time, you will be getting the first video, then you will be getting the next and so on. And I hope we have a very nice journey throughout this year for this session 21-22. Before I leave, if you are wondering like who am I, so my name is Anjali and I have 16 years of experience in teaching IPN CS to CBSE board exams, right? So my first job was in a KV as a PGT, but now I'm working as a software developer. I'm a freelancer software developer. I've been teaching in Australian universities for more than 3 years now. So earlier I was in Australia, so I used to teach over there, but now I take those classes online, and I'm a plus educator on Unacademy. So if you want to attend my classes live, if you want to have like proper tutorials, so you can join me on Unacademy as well. You must have heard about Unacademy app. So it is like India's one of the major online education portals. So I am there. I'm going to start the new courses for IPN CS also on Unacademy. So you can use my code if you ever want to purchase the Unacademy subscription, or you can also come and attend the free live classes which comes under the category of special classes. So that's about me, and very soon I will be coming in touch with all of you in the comment section, and do let me know that from which city you are, from which school you are, so that we have a proper introduction. And from Monday we will start this course with a bang, because we have to crack 100, and for that we are going to start early. So by the time I upload more, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.